It's 2025, and if you're still running Windows 7, then you really need to make sure that you're running all the latest updates. Now, Microsoft stopped producing updates for Windows 7 in 2020, but this guide is going to show you a little trick which enables you to get all the latest updates to keep your Windows 7 as protected as you possibly can. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Doing these three things help us make more great videos for you. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to open Microsoft Edge, or if you've got Firefox installed on your system or SuperMemum installed on your system, open up that. I'm going to open Microsoft Edge, and as you can see here, it says it's no longer supported, but this is still going to be good enough for what we need to do today. So go to the address bar right at the top, not the search bar in the middle, but the address bar right at the top. Delete out anything that's in there and type in there cwtek.co.uk/WD, just as it's shown on the screen there. Pause this video if you need to make a note of it. Then once you've done that, press enter or return on your keyboard, and if you've typed the correct address, then you should see this page here. Scroll down, and if you get a cookie notice, then manage your cookies or accept them, and you want to go down to the section that says Windows 7 Essentials, and as you can see there, you've got Windows 7 security updates, and then just to the right of it you've got Update Pack 7R2. Click on that, Update Pack 7R2, that's a left click. If any adverts come up, just close them down, and then you should notice if you're running Edge in the top right hand corner of the screen, this Update Pack 7R2 appears. You can click on Open File, but if you are downloading from another browser and you don't see that, then just close down the browser, open up any yellow folder, and then go to Downloads there, and then look for Update Pack 7R2. Double left click on that, click on Run, and then it should download the update pack. Now this bit might take a bit of time because it is a huge file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this video whilst it's downloading. I'm going to come back to it nearing the end of the download. Okay, so it's nearly finished downloading, and what you're going to get is that's going to disappear, and you're going to think, well, what's happened? So what we need to do is we just need to open the downloads window. So if you haven't got it open already, then open it. And to do that, let's just go, oh, there you go. We've got the latest version of Update Pack has been successfully downloaded. So let's just click on OK there. Make sure you got your downloads window open, like I say. So click on a yellow folder, click on Downloads, and then you'll see next to Update Pack 7R2, you've got an update pack there with some numbers after it. As you can see, mine says 25.2.12, so double left click on that. Now, nothing might happen for a little while. Don't worry about it. You might see this, do you want to allow the following program to make changes to your computer? Click on yes, that's a left click, and there you go. It's now verifying it. And you've got this option here to install. So just left click install at the bottom there, and there you go. It says the system is being scanned for installed updates. So it's just checking to see what updates have already been installed, and it is going to now work out what updates it needs to install. So as we can see here, there you go. It's saying installing 12 updates. Now this bit might take a bit of time, so just be patient with it. Again, I'm going to pause this video and we're going to come back to it as soon as this bit is finished. So as we can see, this little green bar is going up the screen, or going across the screen. So here we go, the green bar is nearly at the end. Oh, there you go, it's now installing the updates. So as you can see here, it says it's installing update 2 from 10. So we've just got to wait for all of these updates to be installed. Just be patient with it. I'm going to pause this video again, and we'll come back to it when it's completed this part of the installation. Okay, so it's now completed, and it's saying to complete the installation, a reboot will be required. But it doesn't look like it's finished yet, so I'm just going to hang on for a little while longer and just see what happens next. Okay, so it's now come up with a window which says your computer must be restarted. So make sure that you've saved anything you might be working on, and then move your mouse over yes, and left click once. Let the computer restart, and as you can see, even after Windows has shut down, this box is still up on the screen and it's still installing. So just be patient with it, just let it do what it needs to do. So Windows has restarted and it's just going through a bit of a cleanup. So again, just be patient with it. Okay, so after a couple of restarts, Windows 7 has now restarted and gone back to the desktop. And hopefully all the updates should have been installed. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open the yellow folder just at the bottom of the screen, go back to our downloads just over there on the left. And again, I'm going to double left click the update pack 7R2 with the numbers after it and just run it again just to make sure there's no further updates. Now, when you double click on this, it might take a time before anything happens. As you can see, I've got the spinny circle next to my mouse pointer. That means the system's doing something. So just be patient with it. It might take some time before anything appears on the screen. Now, what I would recommend is to add that website cwtech.co.uk/WD to your favorites or your bookmarks, because it's not going to automatically keep updating. What you're going to have to do is every month or every couple of months, just go back to that website and re-download the update pack just to make sure that your system is fully up to date with all the latest updates as they're released. I'm not sure how often they do release updates, but it seems to be more or less every month, every couple of months. So it's a good idea, perhaps once a month, just to go back to that website, download the update and just make sure that your system is fully up to date. Okay, so finally this has come up. Do you want to allow the following program to make changes to your computer? Move your mouse over yes, left click once, and there you go. It's just unpacking the updates again. So as I say, we're just trying to make sure that all the updates have been installed. So left click and install. And there you go. It's now going to scan the system for installed updates and just see if you do need any more updates. And there we go. It just says completing the security update pack setup wizard, installation of the update package version 25.2.12. That's the version number that will change for Windows 7 Service Pack 1 has been completed. So click on finish, and what you can do is to save your system getting clogged up with these updates, you can delete both of these. So just right click on both of these files and then left click delete and then left click yes. And just make sure that those have been deleted from downloads, because they do take up a lot of space, or certainly one of them does. And then if you can, empty the recycle bin. Just right click on the recycle bin, left click empty recycle bin, and then left click yes. And that will get rid of those files. But as I say, what you can do is you can go back into Microsoft Edge or your browser and just add that website where you initially downloaded from as a favorite. So I'm just going to type in the address bar up the top there, cwtek.co.uk/WD, then press enter or return. And then I'm just going to click that little star just to the right there. And then I'm going to just make sure that the favorite is in the favorites bar, and then click done. And then hopefully what will happen is if we open up Microsoft Edge, we should see, with any luck, a shortcut to it on the system just up there. There we go, Windows download. You can click on that and then scroll down and find, there you go, Windows 7 security updates, and then left click update pack 7R2 and just follow those instructions again. I would recommend doing that once a month, once every couple of months, depending on how critical it is that you keep Windows 7 up to date. But then again, if it was that critical, you wouldn't still be using Windows 7. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, consider hitting that thanks button and making a donation to this channel. Or if you can't do that, then have a look in the description down below. We've got some great links down there for you to various things, including my Amazon shop, which contains all the things I love at the moment on Amazon. television, Fire TV sticks, Fire TV cubes and VPNs. Buying, subscribing and donating really does help support this channel. It helps me to be able to dedicate more time to spend researching to bring you these great videos. And whilst you're at my YouTube channel, why not stick around? I've got thousands of other videos for you right here, right now, covering all sorts of subjects. Hopefully whilst you're here, you're going to find something to educate you, entertain you, amuse you, and maybe even save you some time and money. And if you do see any videos that you think your friends, your family or your work colleagues might like to see, then please don't forget to share these videos on your social media timelines. You can check me out on X, I'm at CWTEK. You can also check out my website, it's cwtek.co.uk. Thanks for watching and speak to you again soon.